Hello. So, a lot of people ask me how to make decisions and how did you make a decision after your accident to move forward. I think it's one of the toughest things. But if you are a leader and if you want to become a true leader, decision making is very, very important in your life, and especially if you're a professional. Whenever some accident happens or whenever you're going through a very critical situation in your life, it gives you a chance to pause, to think through, to analyze, to have a deep dive into your mind, into your situation, and into your heart to understand the new reality. A lot of people don't take time to understand that new reality, and it is very important that you do that. And once you do that, you decide to move forward with clarity. And how can you do that? The most important tip that I can give you is tear the page. Tear what has happened in the past. Tear what has happened to you at this particular time. And look at the future with a new understanding that you will move forward. And once you make that decision, don't keep looking at the hindsight. Learn from the past mistakes. But a lot of people live in the past. And that is not okay. You have to move forward as a leader with a very clear mindset. And that's why organizations and companies pay you for to make the strategic decisions, and the clarity of your decisions actually matter because your teams are counting on you, your organization is counting on you, your family is counting on you, and you are also counting on yourself for making those right choices. Now, the choice can be wrong, but the clarity of a choice is very, very important. So I say tear the page. अपना वो पुराना माजी का वर्का फाड़ दो. हम माजी में रहते हैं. we are always thinking of the past. माजी में रहते हैं. क्या हमने सही हुआ, क्यों हुआ, किस तरीके से हुआ, आगे क्या होगा, किस तरीके से होगा, क्या मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, क्या मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ. Indecisiveness हमें कहीं का नहीं छोड़ती. ये जो कंफ्यूजन है माइंड में, ये हमें कहीं का नहीं छोड़ती. तो बहुत अहम है कि अपने माजी के वर्के फाड़ दो और आगे बढ़ो एक क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ, एक नए रिजॉल्व, वल्वले और जोश और हिम्मत के साथ, और इस उम्मीद के साथ कि अल्लाह आपके साथ है. Once you move forward with the clarity, you get a new faith, you get a new momentum, you get a new energy, a new zeal, and you cannot go wrong because indecisiveness and looking at the hindsight all the time and thinking about the past is the most ridiculous and the most riskiest situation for any leader. This is why a lot of people are not true leaders, because they don't have this art and the capability to make those decisions, tough decisions. But you can always learn that, because life gives us chances over and over again to make decisions. And we can always correct our path looking at how we are moving forward. And results will come. I'm telling you, what other thing is, once you make a decision, you want such a quick results. The things should happen right away. And that should not be the case. Have the patience. Tear the page of your life, which does not matter anymore. अपनी जिंदगी का वो वर्के फाड़ दे माजी के जिनकी कोई रेलेवेंस नहीं है moving forward. I hope I'm making some difference.